OG 1971 day one attraction here at Magic Kingdom. Why not go ride it? Let's go check out one of my favorite dark rides in the world, the Haunted Mansion.
Do not pull down on the safety bar, please. I will it for you. And heed this warning. The spirits will materialize only if you remain quietly seated at all times. Oh yes, and no flash pictures, please. We spirits are frightfully sensitive to bright lights. Actually, we have 999 happy. But there's room for 1,000. Any volunteers? If you should decide to join us, final arrangements may be made at the end of the tour.
Give us a hint by ringing a bell. Serpents and spiders, tail of a rat, call in the spirits.
The happy haunts have received your sympathetic vibrations and are beginning to materialize. They're assembling for the swinging wake. They'll be expecting me. I'll see you all a little later.
Bro stole my head. All right, y'all, that was Haunted Mansion out here at Magic Kingdom at Walt Disney World. The OG original day attraction here. I love this ride. So many great scenes, and they made so many great additions over the years. Love the Hatbox Ghost. Dude looks awesome in there, chilling. His head disappears off his head into the box, back onto his head. Awesome creativity, great Imagineering in this ride. Who doesn't love a dark ride that's slow moving with great air conditioning? I know I do. Get out the Haunted Mansion at Walt Disney World. Peace.